Here we have a resistor design question. So find the total current and resistance on the series and parallel circuits. So here we have a series and parallel circuit. And the thing to note is that a series, the elements are next to one another, and in parallel, the elements are one behind another. So that's just a good way to tell the difference between them. And so for our series circuit, we know that the total resistance is just R1 plus R2 plus R3, and that just goes on, etc. So all we have to do is 20 ohms plus 30 ohms plus 50 ohms, and that'll give us 100 ohms. And for our total current is voltage over resistance, and we're told that our total voltage is at 125, and so all we have to do is 125 over 100 ohms is 1.25 amps. And now for our parallel circuit, we know that total resistance is 1 over R total. So is equal to 1 over R1, 1 over R2, and 1 over R3. And the same thing, you can have as many as you want. So that just goes on forever. And so all we have to do is 1 over 20 ohms, 1 over 100 ohms, and 1 over 50 ohms. And we want to make sure that they all have the same denominator. So we just do that, and we just add them all up, and then our total resistance is 12.5 ohms. And the same thing, the total current is voltage over resistance. We have 125 voltage, and we found the resistance at 12.5 ohms, and so our total current is 10 amps. And a thing to note is that parallel circuits have less resistance than a circuit connected in series. So since our resistance is a lot lower in the parallel than in series, our current is going to be much higher in the parallel.